Does he need more?
This is the video.
Try this again.
Dropped it all.
You go through a whole batch of these in about 10 seconds.
It's okay. Bubbles likes them.
Look at Toby feed the dog.
That's not the video, okay? This is Toby trying to eat.
And feed the dog.
I'm failing.
Excuse me.
Maybe you were left-handed.
Bryce, can I get in where you are? Excuse me, Bryce.
This is my
Bryce! You're in my way, actually. And that looks stupid. Bryce, you're not even recording. Come on!
Back up a bit so she could see.
Okay, he's got it in his hand. Oh, no, it doesn't. I lied.
Jiggly, jiggly, jiggle. Jiggly, jiggly, jiggle.
Was that a big one?
No.
Oh, it just puffed.
Keep it in there. Put your arm here. There you go. That's what you have to do.
Ding, 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 ding. Toby's very good.
Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Use your hands. There you go. Good job, Toby. Good job, Toby.
Done recording.
Do you think we're done for today? Yeah. Do you like that? Do you like that? Toby, do you like that?
Yes.
Mwah. There's your smile. Boop. Boop.
Oh, and you dropped it.
All right, we're done.